Do you like that, Molly? Huh? Do you like that? Does that feel good, baby girlers? Is it putting you to sleep? I don't know, baby. I know it feels good. You gotta do it to me next, okay, Molly? Think I think she's seduced. She's not moving. You got a smile, Molly. You got a smile on your face. That feel good? Yeah. Uh-oh, did it tickle that time? Did it tickle that time? Oh, baby. Oh, I know. Oh, no. You want me to keep doing it? Yeah? You want me to keep doing it, Molly? Oh, you gotta scratch it now. It itches so much. I know. I'll scratch it for you. There you go. Look, this is what does it, Molly. You gotta rub your head. You gotta rub your head, Molly. Oh, baby. Da, 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 da.